Hi there, I'm Jenny from Sunday, and today I'm going to show you how to plant a perennial. These are plants like salvia, lavender, and this feather reed grass that will come back every year without having to be replanted. Spring is the best time to plant perennials, and fall is a close second. Luckily, if you buy from Sunday, we'll figure that out for you and your plant will arrive right when you need it. Every plant is different when it comes to how much sun it likes and how much room it needs to spread out. So think about these things when you're choosing a spot to plant. This feather reed grass needs full sun and about 2 feet of room to grow. For Sunday plants, you can find all this info on our site. You'll want to start by digging a hole that's about as deep as the container the plant arrived in. So now you can remove any debris from the hole and save all the soil for backfill. So now you want to remove the plant from the container and gently tease the roots. This will help them grow outward and form a strong foundation for the plant. Now you can place your plant in the hole, making sure that it's standing up straight, and then add in your backfill. When you're done, you can just gently press it in to make sure it's secure. If you want, you can mix in about 25% compost with the backfill. This is also a great time to mix in some all-purpose fertilizer that you can get from Sunday. Check the label to see exactly how much you need. Lastly, you have the option of covering the base of the plant with about 2 to 4 inches of mulch. This reduces weeds, increases water retention, and the coolest part is that over time, it'll break down and improve your soil. You'll want to water right after planting. Then keep the soil moist for about 3 to 4 months, but don't saturate it. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your new plant friend. Remember, if you have any questions, our team at Sunday is always here.